If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice, and you don't know say a KOGENCY, but the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today, we have Nutcase22 with Captain. Now, a couple people been requesting, well, a good couple people been requesting it still. But because I don't know who Nutcase22 is, I was like, oh, should I do it, should I not do it? And then I also saw people on YouTube reacting to it, but still I was like, should I do it though? Like, should I do it? But then today I made the decision, so I'm gonna do it. Really and truly, I even clicked on it as well, but I didn't watch very far into it, so I don't even remember how the beat go or anything that he says. So hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, reply to all the comments, and let's see what this is about. Nutcase22. He dresses like a nutcase though. You understand? Like, imagine a guy like that. Imagine him chefing you up. Like that, bro. Imagine him chefing you up. Bro, does he have on gloves or are his hands that black? Cause his knee, boy, I'm not sure. Dog. Swing with force with savage. I tear your chest and damage big when you know. I float it still, or maybe it's just because I just listened to the SR sound, but the way I'm flowing, it sound kind of SR-ish. Not saying he's copying it, but it's very similar. Cabbage, swing with force with savage. Savage. I tear your chest to damage. When you know you can't manage. Bird's eye view when I hit it with a mask, but I to the feeling feelings. 3, 2, 1, hop out the whip now, watch them run. They panic when they see me in person, like, yo, he's coming. Ooh. You know that I love you, bro, but I ain't tryna hold it bunny. No. Excuse me, miss, come ride it, boom. Excuse me? Say that again. But I ain't tryna hold it bunny. No way. Excuse me. Are we going to allow that? I mean, Are we going to allow that? Is that fire? I'm not sure, man. Let me hear it again. You know that I love you, bro, but I ain't tryna hold it bunny. No way. Excuse me, miss. It sounds nice to that, but it's just. Alright, now let me just listen. Let me listen it in its entirety, and then we'll see if we can make that sound. Cause I'm not sure about that sound, oh my god. I'm saying nothing wrong with it, but it's just I've never heard that in a song before. Ever. Literally ever. You know, you see why I love drill, bro? I've never seen anything like or heard anything like these things before, you know? But I love you, bro, but I ain't tryna hold this bunny. No way. Excuse me, miss, come ride it, boom. Early morning setting, the dick in my pants is calling you. What's about it over there? Early morning setting, the dick in my pants is calling you. We're up in front of my paintbrush. I show about art attack. Spank her bums in black and blue. She loves when it gets like that. Deep throat with her lips on my whistle. Come give me a tune. Deep throat when she blows my flute. Now I see why the man named Nutcase. The man is tapped in the head, dog. Like, just, not saying that the things that he's saying is so crazy, dog, but it's the way how he's saying it and he's bringing it across and the dress and the, like, it's mad. I spank her bums in black and blue. She loves when it gets like that. I slapped her bums is black and blue. That's abuse, bro. I'm not going to keep pulling down my mask every time this guy whistles it now, but like, I've never heard anybody whistle on a trap before, bro. Like this. And when he's talking about the girl giving him neck. Knack, 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 knack.
Come give me a tune.
What?
Deep throat when you blow my flute.
I can't do. Like what? What inspired you to make that noise, bro? Who told you to do that? I see why it's. And again, fam, you see why? I said he already had like a SR type of flow, and he said, and again. That just confirm it.
Big man, you know you can't manage. The way that she threw it
Back.
I nearly lost my breath.
Aye.
Bend it over, start twerking. Now
Clap for the NHS. Aye. And do again. Aye.
I do man like
It's
respect.
like,
If I'm doing you up and your kids start screwing, I'm kicking it right the pram. Yes, I.
No, we're gonna leave the kids out of this, you know. I'm not even laughing. We're gonna leave the kids out of this. He didn't do anything, bro. It's not his fault that his dad is your up. Come on, man. Leave the kids alone. No, but seriously, that's mad though. Why would you kick the baby's pram, bro? You know, like. Care about civilians. So he don't care about me, bro. So when I'm on the roads, you see why I stay inside? Because for people like Nutcase, bro, like them man don't care about civilians. He's telling you. He's telling you in a song with hundreds of thousands of views, 142,000 views. He don't care about civilians, bro. So I'm gonna stay inside.
Screwed, I'm kicking it right the pram. Yes, I am. Oh, damn. And I don't give a toss about civilians. I'll
What?
also do up your nan. If I swing this.
My nan, bro, why?
Oh, damn. And I don't give a toss about civilians.
Like, why?
I'll also do up your nan.
Why?
If I swing this whip like a orangutan, sun's getting dropped or blank. What the hell are you thinking?
What the hell are you thinking?
Whip like a orangutan, sun's getting dropped or blank.
Not me.
What the hell are you thinking? I get real close.
I'm thinking, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Some fish and serious damage, ruthless dipping. Anytime I back this kitchen, I tell my young G step on the glide, swing that blade and dip it. If I lift this mass, I'ma drop him.
Aye.
Don't think you're the Undertaker.
Aye.
You won't rise back from the coffin.
Ooh, I like that part, nigga. Oh, shit.
Do up your nan. If I
This big man, you know you don't back fist. Big man, you know don't chop this. I know that talk my trap shit. I know that talk that whap shit. I know that might do a backflip. If I pull up on your block, then I catch him. If I pull up on your block, are you lacking? Man, you realize when I'm freestyling, I always trying to pull up on somebody's block. Jesus Christ. God damn. I guess my mic is telling me to stop trying to pull up on niggas' blocks. Alright, bro. I'm gonna stop. I'm staying home. Brixton bullies, slap with a boy. 102 from the Woody. Anyway, man. Let's fix this shit. And let's outro this motherfucker, man. Because, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Nutcase is a real nutcase. Like, I see why, bro. He got his name and all that shit, dog. But, like, you know, still mad when the man said he don't care about civilians. Like, that's kind of sad to hear still. Because I'm a... Fuck off. Because I'm a civilian, you know? So I would just hope that he at least cares a little bit about me. But, yo, I was just chatting until I fixed my mic. But, yo, hit that like or dislike button. No, we have to talk about it. Nutcase22. He's definitely a nutcase, bro. Don't care about civilians, kicking the baby out the pram. I'll shank your nan. Telling a girl to whistle and then whistling in the song 2 different times with 2 different whistles. Like, that's mad, bro. And what else did he say? Even his outfit, dog. Who inspired that? This guy's mad. I mean, remind me of Two-Face. You understand? Just mad. But his bars are cool, though. You know? And he said he slapped her ass till it's black and blue. Like, that's abuse, bro. You need to stop. But yo, hit that like or dislike button. Jump for the comments, like all the comments. Check this out. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And yeah, KOGENCY, the KOGENCY Reacts channel. And I like this motherfucker, man. Hey.
Yeah. Can't wait the girl. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me.